Kevin Stein of 30th Avenue in 50th Street by the iconic Eichler Judaica. Eblu schon in der Schäufe, schon du yiddish Elle schon du. Lass mich hier in der Schäufe. Gib mal Blut. Ah. Elle schon du, die Schäufe schon du. Lass mal ranchecken. It's time to check into Eichler Judaica. Lekovet yiddish Elle. Everybody loves coming in over here. Lass mal sich treffen mit Rab Heshi. Trav, here's your team, Michael.
So first of all, we have the biggest selection of everything for your school. Always like China height, the big selection. We also binded, not binded.
What says you have the option that comes binded already?
Yeah, Southdown bind ready. We have in-house. We have someone binds in-house. Also, it's not binded. Within half an hour, you have it binded. Always like everything, the biggest selection, comfortable to come, shop, browse. Kamoers, bluish, zoom, nachts. What do you want? Always like studieren. Anything you can think of.
Einer hat mal gefragt, das ist somebody once passed by, es ist nicht von der Gegend. Das ist eine Library? Jede Stadt mit der Seife, mit der Gemüse, mit der Book. It looks amazing.
We'll get up back to school, Baruch Hashem.
So back to school, it is at Eichler's, jede Seife. Look at this, binded, but become a Gemüse. You saying, you know, the Mesechtes that go, and this has to get binded.
Yeah, it's binded ready now, but we try to bind everything. So it's not a bisschen von jeder Sache, but if not, again, we have some in the house. We bind everything. If not needed, we have everything.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Aber beginnen mit dem Pricing. Menschen meinen, Eichler ist ein bisschen mehr teuer, weil für das
every price box, I think we're cheap or the same anything, but any other listed price, anything in the store, we match any price listed. So on Swoom.
Was heißt, einer kommt daran mit der Receipt von einem anderen Store und sucht gekauft.
Der Abschlussschriftler kommt der Receipt und begleitet ihn. He tells me it's cheap as well. We're gonna match any price. Every price we match.
I don't believe that.
100%.
Einer sucht, kostet aber bekam geworden in a store. Something kach.
Live dudes billing it, but if not, we'll match any price listed.
Heavy, hear what he's saying over here, he'll match any price from any store. Kimst an suchst dem, was jenes Store kostet so Sach, hast es der Preis du.
No problem. Auch sitzt es kappelig, sales.
Lass mal sehen, aber so weißt du mit der Suhren, ist alles Suhren, der ausgemacht so schein, alle Gemuschen, alle Gemures. Beautiful, 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 Manikir.
Kaufzim
von der größten Buchen, von der Schiftaner Buchen.
The selection of Sliches on the left side of you.
Wow, kijk alle Sliches du. I still remember when I was a kid, wow. Altijd gewoon is de Bereich is chemisch, right? Unbelievable, alles du, also schein ausgeliked. Beautiful selection. Doch dan de Kaufzim von der größten Buchen. Schechenoerigs. Von der Koilien gelaat.
Der heutige Gemures.
Der Blue Gemures. Der Artschko Gemures, mit Hype jetzt heute ist.
Ja, warte.
Wow. So alles ausgeliked, also schein. Man kann du sitzen in Aisle, man kann du stein, also Geschmack zu sehen. You probably have the biggest selection when it comes to Sunim. Unreal.
We just got brand new machine. We just got this week updated latest machine, stamp machine. We do on the spot stamping. Halt jetzt mit dem Kick.
No way.
Ja.
Names on the spot. So einer lagen auf a Sidder. Natürlich aber gewohnt ist an Zingeiten Chayres.
Binden. So we here bind it.
Yeah, you bind it.
You bind it in house.
The name on top.
Machen the name. We make it on the spot. Again, if
it's on the spot, Mensch kann du warten.
Yes, we'll make it right away on the spot. If it's gonna be too much, we'll do it by night. But same day, we'll have it for sure. Same day.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I love that.
The big thing is on a website, 1-800-Eichlers.com. Everything's on the site. We have same-day delivery everywhere, all over the tri-state, Lakewood, Staten Island, Queens, Farquhar.
Same-day delivery?
Same-day delivery.
Came to a Chayde, but she zooked him wieder Gemurre. No excuses. Call up your father, had delivered to Yeshiva Nachtzeit Austin.
No excuses. Before 2 o'clock, we still try before 5, but before 2 o'clock, we get same-day delivery of everything.
Unreal. Ook good at the staff do what they also do. Als du goesje begitte geschmack of staff members over here working. Yo, als du Motti, the famous Motti Levinson, everybody knows. The customer service dudes. Ken je veel begraaf. You walk over, he walks over to you right away. First time, I have you with a cup of water over there. A cold cup of water from the water cooler when you walk in. I get the town. It's hot outside. You walk in, geschmack a cup of water. They come over to what you need. How can we help you? Right. Sometimes I come in here, Heshi, I don't know if you know, just to get that smile from Matti. Yeah. I'm not buying, just to walk in and get that smile from Matti over here.
Oh, customer service. Full line of kappelig, all different
things. Laat me zien de kappelig zitten samen net. Full line of kappelig zitten, het komt daarna you.
All the uniforms, alle zaken de wils.
De kinderhand zoekt het af matchen, the pants to the kappel over here.
100%, en hij is man, en hij
I can't ook met de old kappel, de
frischkeit. Kappelig, tzitzis.
Kappelig, wow.
Again, the same thing, tzitzis kappelig. We match any price, any sale, anytime there's a sale somewhere, we'll match the price.
Takke. En dan komt het zoekt een koft de kappel andere plaats cheaper.
We'll match
the price. I love that the kid over here. They match any price. Dan wat gaat men doen de Yid? Jeder kenning van de kappelig over here. I get you here. So you have iconic people. Besides the iconic store that you have, Eichler's.
People
are icons here.
Experienced people always here to help.
Look at this, get a cake.
Du hast für die chassidische English auch sagen.
Also, was heißt? Ah, für die chassidische kinderlich. Tati zitzes, noch dann do bikes, color crayons. Wow, so cute. And you could, when I was a kid, we would this stuff.
Yeah.
I love it. You could try it on to your kids. You could try it on. Look at it. It's called the Magic Yarmulke. Schmuckkunde? Interessant. Beautiful. Wow. Also, wir gesehen, der voll alle Schäufers du, wir gesehen früher.
Ständer, alles sein.
Ständer, du kommst in den Raum, da geht der Ständer. Man kann Stein und Ständer.
Ständer, up and down.
Every type of Ständer. High, low, big, small. All different unique types.
Was schön ist, full selection. First hier noch Ständer hast du auch, noch alle die Ständer, der Tabletop. Für Kinder, für Adults, für Ceramic, Matunis.
Buy your husband a present. Willst du so bleiben, ein Schild kaufen, wahrscheinlich einen Ständer. Das kommt nicht geheim. Beautiful. Wrapped up over here. Beautiful gifts, shine.
Yeah. Du hast alles Simone cards, so schöne Sticker, napkin,
really beautiful. You can go on and on of it. The selection, die hast keine selection.
Here's the big thing 11. So my ganze selection, du für alle Chusen, Kalle, Machzorim. Hast du alle Shelves, hast die ganze Sache du für alle Läden, Kafta, Yiddish, für die Machzorim, für die Mefoya, für die Chusen, für die Kalles, Touch, Yiddish Touch, alle Companies. The selection is here, so for all companies, from Mefoya to Malchus, it's not all the selections, all different types, we have everything. Art schools, full selection of art schools auch on top. Whole thing of art Machzorim.
Wow.
Matching Sedir, matching
Yiddish in der Land kann kaufen Art School. Wenn man weiß, der Wert, man sucht beim Daven oder Schnee im Kippen, ist andere Daven.
Ja, also Mefoya auch.
Mefoya. What do they have?
Machst du Mefoya? Machst du
Mefoya? Ja, das ist Kodesh, right?
Kodesh.
Beautiful.
Alle sorten, alle sizes, all different types. Some of the packet size auch, the kleine people ones.
So ein Fuß zum Reben.
Kijk eens aan, heilige Sache, Set.
Was ist das?
Mach das schöner als Minche might have divided. Hast du noch ganz gesagt?
It's
divided.
Machst du Mefoya?
No, das ist regular
Machse. Das ist regular Machse.
But it's divided, für das kommt mit der ganze Machse.
Ich sehe das, was Fuß zum Reben. Ger, Stone, Bejan, Bells, besteht in Oil. Uman.
Menschen kaufen das.
It's amazing. Besteht stirbt. You can know where you're holding a big Machse over there.
Kleine Machse auch, it's even smaller, but it's divided.
Fits in your pocket.
Yeah, klein. Another thing, jetzt mal busy Yantif. Till Yantif will have a sale. $4.99. Good comics, new comics, different type of books. From now until Yantif, we'll be switching on every day. We have different books, different comics.
$4.99 each.
$4.99. Brand new.
Talking about $30-$40 comic books. Serious big comic books.
Comics, 52 pages of comic books. They're good. Every day we'll be switching off. $4.99 books.
Not normal.
We'll have different books every day. We're gonna have switching off.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, listen. Als das gids om dat store doen. Ze maken een Claudiusstraat, ze maken een Gansbauer Park. Een mensen van erin. You got people from all over.
Even people you come in, even if you don't want to shop, just get the atmosphere, the Yantif, be your kids.
I love that.
Enjoy it.
Come inside, say hello to Heshi, tell her you saw him in the video. And give me a schmeichel, take a cup of water when you're walking over here. Don't forget the cup of water over here. And just enjoy Eichler's what Eichler's is. Skoig Heshi! And let's go. That's my lechting in the